Albert Cash Advance limits increase when your banking activity looks stable, your income patterns are consistent, and your account history shows low repayment risk over time. By the end, you'll know what actually affects your cash advance limit, what habits improve it, and what quietly stops it from going higher. Start with the key idea. Albert does not assign cash advance limits randomly. Now explain what that means. The system adjusts your limit based on your financial behavior inside your connected bank account. Now give the first factor. Consistent direct deposits are one of the strongest signals for a higher limit. Now explain why. Regular income patterns show the system that your account can handle repayment reliably. Now give the first action step. ID. Make sure your primary bank account is connected and used regularly for deposits. Now move to spending behavior. Stable spending habits also affect your eligibility for higher limits. Now explain what that means. If your balance is constantly dropping to near zero, the system may keep your limit low. Now, give fix. Try to keep a buffer balance instead of running your account close to empty. Now, move to account history. Longer account history inside Albert usually helps build stronger eligibility signals. Now explain what to do. Avoid switching accounts or disconnecting your bank repeatedly. Now explain repayment behavior. If you've used cash advance before, repayment history matters a lot. Now explain what it means. On-time repayment improves trust signals inside the system. Now give action. Always repay advances as soon as possible instead of waiting until the last moment. Now move to app usage behavior. Active and consistent app usage can also influence internal scoring. Now, explain what that means. Accounts that are used regularly tend to be evaluated more reliably than inactive ones. Now explain limit misconception. There is no manual setting to request a higher cash advance limit directly. Now explain what that means. The system updates your limit automatically based on account behavior over time. Now explain what does not help. Repeatedly checking the cash advance screen does not increase your limit. Now summarize the core idea. Higher Albert Cash Advance limits come from consistent income deposits, stable balances, and responsible repayment history. Avoiding bank changes and keeping steady account activity helps improve your internal profile. And limits only increase automatically when the system detects lower risk over time. One practical next step. Connect your main bank account, maintain regular deposits, avoid overdrafts, and repay any existing advance early to strengthen your eligibility profile. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of how financial apps actually decide approvals and limits.